Hey everybody, welcome back to the Breadbox, the channel dedicated to Commodore computers. I have 7 Commodore videos coming out very soon in 7 days, so it's a challenge I'm setting myself to try to encourage hopefully 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to produce 7 Commodore videos in 7 days. That's the end of this month, so please like and subscribe my videos and click the notification bell so you know when those videos come out. So after watching this video, please check out my other videos on this channel. They're all about Commodore computers. And it's all about my journey to start a Commodore Computer Museum here in New Zealand. It's all about preserving the history of Commodore computers. But let's get started on this latest video. Are you buying the THEC64 when it comes out over the next couple of days? It's quite an exciting machine, but it also makes the THEC64 Mini obsolete. So I was thinking, well, is there a way to actually upgrade or repurpose the Mini? And of course, to do this project, you do need to have an old bread box or bread bin case and keyboard, which I do happen to have. So we're going to open up this Mini and we're going to try to connect a keyboard, the original Commodore bread bin keyboard, to this Mini and see if it can be fully operational. This will really mimic the THEC64 that's coming out very soon. Not with all the features, but hey, if we can't afford to buy one or if our order has been delayed, this could be an affordable option or at least an interesting project to try. Okay, we've now got the Mini taken apart. We've got the board taken out of the Mini. There's an empty bread box or bread bin Mini. And we've got the original bread box or bread bin keyboard. I want to connect that with this, so we can actually have a fully functioning keyboard. So how am I going to do this? How am I going to connect these two together? And it's with this. This is the USB keyboard adapter from Tynemouth Software. I'll put the link in the description below. This should allow me to connect the original keyboard just through this little connection here. Admittedly, this USB keyboard adapter is designed to be working with vice positioning mapping, but I'm hoping also I can get working with the THEC64 Mini as well. So I'm just going to connect it all up to the Mini. This cable here came with the USB keyboard adapter as well. So I just plug it into the adapter and also into the USB port of the Mini. Pretty straightforward. Well, apart from the fact that I put the USB upside down. And next I'm going to plug in the joystick as well. So luckily the Mini has 2 USB slots here I can use. And unbelievable, upside down again. And last but not least, the power cable that came with the Mini as well. Of course, if this all works, I'm going to try and mount it inside the bread box so it looks nice and tidy as well. Okay, so this is the total setup, and let's see if it's going to work. Here's the Mini console view. It's got to move over to basic, start that up, and obviously use the keyboard to see if it's going to work. Now the basic screen's come up, so let's try out this keyboard. Oh, so far so good. It seems to work okay. So here's a working keyboard for the THEC64 Mini. This could actually be a viable option for repurposing the hundreds of thousands of Minis that are going to be obsolete, and just do a bit more testing to see if this is really going to work. And this is going through that Tynemouth Software's USB keyboard adapter. I'll put the link in the description below. But so far it seems to be okay. After a bit more testing, I've discovered that all the QWERTY keys do work well, all the number keys work really well, but the other keys, the function keys, the other symbols, they don't really work that well. Well, they don't work at all actually. So of course this wasn't designed to be used with the Mini, it was designed to be used with vice, but can anyone give me some suggestions of how to get this to be fully compatible? I'll leave this video here and I'll do some more research, and drop me a line also if you've got any ideas.